Welcome to another video. Today we are going to check on updates for Pi network. Right here, Pi network balances disappear as Mainnet migration failed. So let's go through this. A wave of concern has swept through the Pi network community as users report being unable to view their mined Pi coins balances. It has raised fears of system instability or backend changes. Users are even concerned about the recent Pi network's mainnet migration being failed. Users report Pi network balances missing. In a Reddit thread on our Pi network titled Issue Consulting the Amount of Pi, user after user reported problems assessing their balances. One post read, "Hi, do you also have issues concerning the amount of Pi you mine? The page is just loading and nothing happens." The issue appears to be widespread, with several commenters confirming they are experiencing the same glitch. Another user noted, "The same on my end, but it's not something I would pay too much attention to. Glitches happen all the time." He psychologically prepared for anything, that guy. Some users suspect the issue could be related to backend updates. Redditor Flatterlink speculated, "My guess is the core team is about to do a mass update on Pi balances, calculating unconfirmed, confirmed, and transferable. Bet we'll see the true numbers soon." Others recounted similar technical difficulties. "Mine is still loading as of this morning. Maybe it is in migration mode," wrote another user. Meanwhile, Desatrius Spell 3602 explained that restarting the app didn't help. They added, "Same here. It happened after restarting my session. I tried accessing the mainnet by pressing the mainnet button, but the next page got stuck on loading your page. The same thing happens when I try to access it through the Pinode app on my laptop." And here is the image. You can see the guy has mined over 2,600 Pi. A second thread, "I have problem, it won't enter my balance." Three similar responses. User embarrassed Durian 19 expressed frustrations. "I have similar problem. They won't return my rollback Pi into migration. I am furious at this kindergarten of team." While some found temporary relief, and that yesterday cleared up today, claimed user Grapefruit Passion. Others are still stuck trying various troubleshooting methods. Try switching your language and/or restarting the app with no VPN, suggested another user, adding that clearing the app cache may help. People were really embarrassed. At the time of writing, the Pi network core team has not released an official statement addressing the issue. And this is why for these updates, I don't go to check on Pi core team page. There is no an update. We have to look into people who analyze the crypto market and bring the current updated information to us. When you rely on PICO team page either on X or Facebook or whichever, you will not get any current information. All these things we are going through, just go there and know an update. So let's continue. At the time of writing, the PICO team has not released any official statement addressing the issue. For now, users are left in oblivion as they hope that the glitches and bugs are merely part of the migration. Until then, the Pi network's transparency and users' patience remain under pressure. Please call team. Please, Nicholas and that beautiful Asian lady, try to update us either through the app chat, through the app itself, or even through the community forums. Recent rumors around Pi. Meanwhile, the Pi network community is bustling at its user report a new migration stage appearing in their Pi app amid the above mentioned issues. After they proceeded with the initial migration, many players found a new checklist item and authorized it, after which a green tick appeared. Due to this surprise update, people are happier and think this could lead to another Arctic migration. On X, users are sharing screenshots and urging others to check their apps. One user noted, I already migrated once, but this new step popped up. I confirmed it and got green tick. Go check yours. The buzz continues to grow. In addition, speculation is once again swirling around Pi Network and Binance amid fresh rumors suggesting that the Pi coin has been listed on the Binance crypto exchange. A viral post on X claimed. Sorry. Binance has listed Pi. I think Binance has taken the first step of launch. The next step is to witness the miracle. This was accomplished by image showing Pi price as if it were live on Binance. However, neither the Binance crypto exchange nor Pi team has offered an official statement confirming the listing. As of now, Pi remains unavailable for trading. Yes, I covered this in the other video. So, we are still expecting a bigger announcement from Pi team. And as we speak now, please press that button to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell button so that you may not miss the current updates about Pi. And again, like my video so that I can stay supported. Now let's check on posts from Pi Times, the Times of Pi here. You can see an hour ago, the Times of Pi network. Sometimes on, sometimes off. Do you know what testing is going on? Version 20. You can see, yes, that is the update. Validator nodes. They say this is 2 hours ago. Pi today is coming soon. Then an emoji of fire. Everyone is talking about second migration. But what about the validation bonus? No discussion, no mention in the roadmap. Where are the validating rewards? Second migration. Yes, for people who have been validating guys on Pi KYC, We are expecting something here. You can see the reward should be on this part, but they say Pi and coming soon. They are bringing announcements of some other things, yet these people have been doing this work for very long time and they need payment. Please, Pi team, Pi core team, pay validators, pay us. Next, can go to second migration is not top priority at the moment. It will come much later in the future. Yeah, okay. We are prepared because I also didn't want to sell my part. Even if it takes 6 years, I have no issue. As long as what belongs to me, I have it. They should pay the validators their rewards for the good work done. Who's ready to build Pi profile today? Drop your profile's username. If you are ready, let's go, pioneers. Now, this is the Binance Square. You can check two posts like 16 minutes ago. The currency now on the daily frame wants to rise to the level of 1.4 as indicated by Fibonacci correction. It's a matter of time. Pi network, revolution or a marriage. Pi network is either one of the most genius crypto experiments or one of the longest running hype trains ever. With millions of people mining daily on their phones, it has global reach, but no listing, no live trading, and no on-chain movement. People are still waiting. Is it worth it? So let's debate. Is Pi Network just building quietly for something big, or is the lack of transparency a red flag? If, when it launches, will Pi have any real value? What does this guy mean? Because when it launches, Pi is already launched. He posted this 25 minutes ago and is talking about launching. Is this person on this planet confused, fella? So, is Pi Network ready for Binance listing? These are the posts we want. The community speaks out. I recently dove into what the Pi community really thinks about a potential Binance listing, and the answers were more honest and revealing than I expected. Yes, but fix the basics first. A Binance listing is a dream for many, but Pi pioneers are not asking for it blindly. The biggest red flag: KYC delays. One user shared they've been waiting over 4 months for KYC approval. Yes, you can go and read this on your own. You can pause the video and read it slowly because my time is up now. I am thinking of creating another video and its time is up now. So I would like to stop here. Mining Pi network is as easy as using your phone. To mine Pi network, all you need is a mobile phone and a few seconds daily. It's simple, energy efficient, and doesn't drain your battery on data. My friends are saying this: mining cryptos is very expensive and you need to have skills for mining. And me here is showing them that I am mining Pi crypto without any skills. Can the community set a price for Pi? No, no one can set it. If it goes like that, that's a fraud. That's a scam. You cannot set a price. You want it to go up, so that you can sell. But there is another person who wants it to drop down so that he can buy more. So we cannot set the prices. And that is the sweetness in this cryptocurrency. There is somebody who is praying that the price goes up to sell. And we are waiting for it to have 6 zeros so that I can buy it cheap. So let the price be set by utilities. Mainnet Network sees price dip after major sell-off. Yes, go through this and read for yourself kindly, and let's meet on the second video tonight. I'll be dropping it in few hours from now. Be blessed. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell button. Make sure you like the video and support me. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section and I'll reply to you. Bye bye.